I'm gonna... Okay, Dan, I've got the boiler steamed up to 110, and that pop-off valve's going off there. And one of the most important things first is to put water in it. Do that back here. Before you light a fire, always have that steamed up. These are the Tricocks. They basically oh, there it goes. So 110, and they basically, the Tricocks basically, if your glass gets broken and you've got the valves on it off, then you can tell where your water level is through these, and they're just more decorative. This will never be a problem. And of course the ash pan, the draft door, fire, and this is the blower valve right here, and it just draws a lot of steam up through the fire. Of course, you can't use that one until you have steam up. And of course the pump is just a hand pump, no problem there. And the whistle, of course, it's just a standard whistle. So I'll get it steamed up here, and we'll get it shipped on Monday. That's my plan anyway. Finally the rain has stopped.